Hello, my name is Ivan. I'm from San Jose, California, local here, and I joined this this world of real estate about half a year ago, and I went through different free seminars and webinars. And when I just started it, I got excited, and it was cool, like a lot of new information. But then, with time and time, I see that each new webinar doesn't really bring you much more information. It's like about the same stuff, about maybe like 80–90% is the same, and maybe 10%, 20% variation. And you see that every new guru pretty much copies all the other gurus, and you see even jokes are the same, even stories are similar with small variations. And I go in here, I expected that that's about the same. But even those 10–20% of new stuff was really valuable to me, because I'm just half year in this, and I was coming here with about the same expectation. Okay, just yet another guru, and again, free event, so you expect sales. There is nothing free, but the whole event, everything, the experience, appeared completely opposite. Like instead of 10% new information, it was totally otherwise. Like about 10% what I already knew, and 90% new, everything. And here I realized, okay, those guys were pretty much copies of everybody, of everyone and each other. And this guy is original. Like everything is like original, everything is so new, and so I'm so confident. Like I love this event, like everything. I didn't expect this. Like completely more than what I expected. Like this awesome. And I know many friends of mine who signed up for this event. I'm really sorry that they didn't come. It's like they missed a lot, really.